Hi everyone, and thank you so much for joining me in my studio today. My name is Kathleen, and I'm a teacher and an artist, and I wanted to share with you a really quick and fun project that I was working on in my sketchbook. This is what I call a sketch and paint, where I take a black wax pastel, or you could use a regular crayon like a Crayola crayon, or you could even use a colored pencil as long as it's not water soluble. And I'm just really sketching quick and loose and expressive lines. I did pre-sketch this one first with a very light pencil just so I could sort of plan my composition, and I like the bold look of the black line, and I'm going to come in with some watercolor paint and just kind of experiment and play around and see what kind of different effects I can come up with. And I will add some detail towards the end of my painting with some colored pencils and some gold paint. I'm just erasing my pencil lines, and then I'm going to start by adding some water all over the page because I want to really kind of go with a really loose and expressive look. So I'm doing what's called a wet on wet technique. So because my paper is wet and I'm adding some color, that color is going to move around and bleed out into the background. And that's okay because that's really the soft, faded, diffused kind of look that I want to get. So I hope that you enjoy watching me as I progress through my painting, and I hope that you'll try this for yourself.